They begin life as ghosts, gently coursing through a solitary existence. But slowly, their gentility turns to rage. They grow larger and larger, curling and twisting and desperately reaching down from the sky. And what began as an invisible shade has turned into a monster. Key component they share is the presence of both high and low pressure air in a given space. Air particles from the area of high pressure move toward an area of low pressure, a movement that creates wind. Non-supercell tornadoes, such as waterspouts and landspouts, begin when cool high-pressure air and warm low-pressure air are present, particularly near ground level. As air particles move horizontally from the high-pressure area to the low-pressure area, wind begins to pick up. Winds blowing at different speeds and in different directions and altitudes begin to blow cyclically. In the case of non-supercell tornadoes, they turn into an upright spinning vortex. But to create supercell tornadoes, the circumstances are slightly different. Violent supercell storms draw warm, low-pressure air up to a higher altitude, leaving behind cool, high-pressure air near the ground. Air particles attempting to bring the two levels of air pressure into balance creates wind that blows vertically. The wind increases and starts to blow in a cyclical fashion, creating a pipe of wind that rolls along the ground. In both cases, an upward current of wind called an updraft provides the final ingredient for creating a tornado. In a budding non-supercell tornado, an updraft stretches its vertical vortex until it reaches the clouds. To create a supercell tornado, an updraft lifts the rolling pipe of wind upward until it stands upright. Then it pulls condensation from the skies and into the spinning vortex. As soon as the vortices, supercell or non-supercell, connect the ground to the clouds, they are officially classified as tornadoes. While tornadoes cannot be prevented, measures are being taken to protect communities. Meteorologists closely monitor storm fronts in high-risk areas and try to forecast possible tornadic events. In doing so, they help mitigate damages to neighborhoods and save countless lives, even in the face of one of nature's most formidable.